Every single day, you lose around 100 strands of hair. To you, it looks like a cosmetic frustration. But beneath the surface, it's a biological crisis. Your cells are screaming for help. Most people assume in this hair thinning is an inescapable genetic curse, but science is revealing a different truth. What if the root cause of your hair loss isn't in your DNA, but in a hidden, silent cellular starvation? Deep within your scalp lies an extraordinary factory, the hair follicle. Inside this factory, the specialized stem cells are constantly dividing to create new hair. But this biological machinery requires a specific fuel to stay awake, a fuel that over 1 billion humans are dangerously deficient in. We call it vitamin D, but in reality, it behaves like a powerful hormone. In your scalp, vitamin D acts as the ultimate ignition switch. It binds to specialized receptors, signaling your follicles to transition from the resting phase to the growth phase. Without it, the switch stays off. Your hair follicles literally go to sleep permanently. But here is the critical mistake 99% of people make. They buy cheap synthetic vitamin D supplements, swallow them, and expect miracles. But the body doesn't work in isolation. If you take high doses of vitamin D alone, you risk pulling calcium into your soft tissues instead of your bones. To unlock its true power, vitamin D requires two essential cofactors, vitamin K2 and magnesium. Vitamin K2 acts as the traffic controller, directing calcium precisely where it belongs. Meanwhile, magnesium activates the vitamin D enzymes in your liver and kidneys. Without this trinity, D3, K2, and magnesium, your cellular rescue mission fails. To reverse cellular hair thinning, you must feed the follicle from within. Look for bioavailable, cold-pressed formulations. Look for the synergy of D3 combined with K2 in organic coconut or olive oil matrices, which dramatically enhances absorption. When you fix the cellular deficiency, your follicles wake up and your hair's natural density returns. Because navigating the supplement market can be overwhelming, we have curated the exact gold standard cellular formulas mentioned in this video, tested for purity and maximum absorption. You can find the direct links to these premium solutions in the pinned comment and description below. Use the exclusive code DIS6274 at checkout to secure a special discount on your journey to cellular restoration. Your hair isn't gone, it's just waiting to be fed. Subscribe for more cellular health truths, and we'll see you in the next video.